Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, today we're gonna be looking at containers. I want to show you guys some good size containers you should have. I'm not saying you gotta buy these containers, but the size is what's matter. Okay? These are container, like this container here. This will do pretty well for pepper, like a pepper plant. You could use this and plant pepper inside of this. This container, this size container is definitely too small. Sometimes you might be able to put little herbs inside this, but this size container is really wasting time. Sometimes if you're really looking for production, you got to look for big containers like big containers like this. Like for instance, if you're growing herbs, you could grow 5-6 different herbs in this one container. You see what I'm saying? No, you could plant an okra tree inside this, and you could plant a pepper tree inside this. Plants that grows to a certain height, about 4 feet, you need to get them in these container. This container is good, but for fruit trees, I'm gonna show you some container that works better for fruit trees. But these does well. Alright? This container is honestly waste of time. I'm telling you the truth. It's definitely waste of time. All like this can give you this is good size for planting. Good size for planting. This one down here, these are beautiful size for planting. You got to remember, guys, you got to remember, planting, you're looking for production, right? So the bigger the container be, you stand a better chance of getting bigger production. It doesn't matter what kind of container it is, or what's matter is the size of the container. All right, so this container, I'll recommend this size container. I'll recommend this. I will not purchase this. It's a waste of time. This, you stand a chance with a few like herbs. You could plant a cabbage inside this. You could plant collard greens inside this. All these. This one, perfect as well. This one, you could plant a few stuff, because what happened, there's plants you could plant in this, because some plant, their root don't go too far, so this is perfect for that. Some plant, their roots spread. Some plant, their roots spread instead of go down deep. This is perfect for that. The plants that have deep root, like deep root, you see how this container deep? That's what you're looking for. So yes, guys, what's matter is the size, not how the container look, not how much a container costs, but it's the size of the container. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and share.